Thanks very much, Frank. Good morning, everybody. It's great to see you all here in the snowy Washington day. We are now going to have our first session, which is an overview of biofuels. And for this session, we have three very interesting presentations. I'll give you brief introductions of the presenters, but there are longer bios that are in the programs that you were given or that are online for those of you who are watching this remotely or the recorded version. We are going to conduct these sessions in the following way. We, for each session, have brief presentations, and then we will have time for questions and discussion, including questions that might come forward from people who are connected remotely. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce our first presenter, Tim Searchinger. Tim is joining us from a remote location. He'll be presenting online, and from what I can see, he's connected, and so we'll see how that goes. He's a research scholar and a lecturer in public and international affairs at Princeton's Woodrow Wilson School, and somebody who had, prior to Princeton, a career at the Environmental Defense Fund. Tim also had experience in state government, working as Deputy General Counsel to Governor Robert Casey of Pennsylvania, as well as in the law, working as a law clerk to Judge Edward Becker of the United States Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. He's a graduate of Yale Law School. What he's probably the best known for, though, is being a person who very early thought of the idea of the USDA Conservation Reserve Program and has had very creative and innovative approaches to the conservation of resources in agriculture. And so I'd now like to turn things over to Tim Searchinger.